Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Citi ATMs with fee-saving tips, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Locate a Citi ATM in your area by using the Citi mobile app or the website. Ensure that the ATM is conveniently situated for your withdrawal needs. Approach the ATM and check for the card slot, screen, and keypad. Insert your debit or credit card into the machine. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language, if necessary. Enter your personal identification number, or PIN, using the keypad. Select the type of transaction you wish to perform. For cash withdrawals, choose Withdraw Cash. Choose the account type from which you want to withdraw funds, such as checking or savings. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it's within your daily limit. Before finalizing, check for any transaction fees displayed on the screen. If you're looking to save on fees, consider withdrawing larger amounts less frequently. Once you confirm the transaction, wait for the machine to dispense your cash. Retrieve your cash and printed receipt, if you opted for one. Take your card back from the machine to ensure it is not left behind. Understand how to check your balance and transaction history for better financial management. Consider using Citi's online banking to monitor your account and potential fees. Always keep your account information safe and secure after your transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.